and go.
Hers certainly makes more noise. We've established that.
You're trying to distract us both, Eric?
Is it working?
Nope, because I can talk and do the cube at the same time.
Oh, that's too bad. What if I tell you dirty jokes? Will that help? Well, maybe it will. She's laughing.
And I'm still doing the cube at the same time.
Yes, you are. Frustrating.
Don't let me down, cube.
Do-do-do-do-do.
He's gonna kick my butt, isn't
I
he?
don't know. Your hands seem like they're moving faster than mine. I'm more deliberate in my moving here.
You better be almost done, because I'm about to finish.
1 minute.
I am not almost done.
Done.
See, I told you you were faster than me.
Oh.
I beat Erich Friedman!
I got another 30 seconds here before I'm done.
Keep going. Congrats.
Oh, see, this is the worst possible situation.
To all the world who will in the future watch this, I beat Dr. Erich Friedman.
Do, do, do.